What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports YouTube channel. We have made it back to the JRD Motorsports race shop. It's been a while since we've been here. We've been at WMI working on our new pit cart for the last few months. At the end of September, early October, we did start with some new body panels on the race car, but it kind of has sat for a little while since that, and the pit cart's taken over. So tonight we're gonna get back to working on our super stock, putting some new body panels on it, do a little more work on the pit cart, and see what other trouble we can get ourselves into. So I appreciate everybody clicking on this. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're growing. We're gearing up in about 3.5 months for our season. I think we got 16 races scheduled right now, and we're working on maybe adding some more. And our paint scheme and everything's gonna be coming out soon. So let's get to work and see what we can get ourselves into tonight. Rob, we haven't seen you in the shop in a while.
I've been hiding.
You've been hiding? No, you're not. You're too busy with your business, which is going to go right here on the race car. So it's actually kind of funny that you're putting the window back here.
That's why I volunteered to do this.
Oh, okay. The car has 2 fenders now, courtesy of Nathan. A little bit of trimming to do, but it's looking like a race car. Look at the mess you've made.
Let's organized work.
The old one has seen better days, eh? No wonder we replaced it. That's when a car drove over top of us, like week 3 of a brand new race car. We rewrapped it. We still use that all season, but nothing's better than new. Black nose. Whoa. What's the paint scheme about? Check this out.
Hey.
Yeah, I know. Hold on. I'm showing the people. Just finished wiring it up. Interior lights are all wired up on this thing. I think they were like $20. Should probably add that to our running total. And on a separate switch, our exterior lights all wired up. So that's pretty cool. Not much left to do. We're putting the top on right now. James is around the corners. Gotta get our shocks mounted. Well, I listen. It's for the YouTube folks. No, we're gonna build an iPad into this thing. So this is our day. We better put a brake in this, and then we're gonna better put it around there. Holy, I can't talk, but yeah, we're gonna put an iPad in here. So we got live race monitor at the track. She's looking pretty good though. For the top, I guess we should probably add that to our total for the thing. Like $200 or something, almost. Whatever the actual number was. But we just got a piece of 1/8-inch thick aluminum, nice polished aluminum, still wrapped, and we're just gonna rivet it to it, and that's what we're gonna do. But that's it. Once we finish assembling all these things, I think we're done spending money, aren't we? Once the top's on. Well, I guess I don't know if I already put it in the last vlog. If I haven't, I'll add the shocks. They were like $40 or something, whatever they were. But we even have tools in here now. I gotta put all our dividers in here still, but we got tools in here now. I'm waiting on my angle aluminum to show up so we can build our wrench divider, but now we have sockets and wrenches all in one. And
Angle aluminum or angle iron aluminum?
angle aluminum iron. That guy was really mad about that. I think he was British because he spelled aluminum like A-L-O-O-M, like to make fun of how we say aluminum. But so last I checked, where they call aluminium, they're adding letters. Yeah, so got a few more kits to build, but trying to make sure we're really organized and ready to go for the season. But I think we're done spending money on this bad boy. And then once it's completely done, everything, we gotta take all the wheels and everything off and put actual bearings and grease it all and everything, because now that we got actual trailer hubs and tires, it's all it's all the real deal. So yeah, we're gonna get this top mounted. I'm scared. Don't blow that. We have a vacuum. Sad face. Oh. This is one of my favorite new tools in the shop. Don't miss. Cobalt gilding. Whoa, this is satisfying. Oh, this thing is gonna get scratched to This thing has been an absolute labor of love, and we spent a bit of money on it. I mean, we sold our other one, so it's not too much out of pocket for this one, but it's been a labor of love, and I really appreciate everyone's support on this channel. We've grown it quite a bit just by building this thing. So that's it for this thing pretty much. I mean, if you stay tuned to the vlog, we're gonna do a few more things too. I'll probably show how we put the shocks and stuff in, but comment below, let me know if you have any questions about it or anything. I know we've had a few people ask for like exact plans for how we build it, like measurements and stuff. Honestly, we just winged it. I knew exactly how big it needed to be for the size we wanted it to be to fit in our trailer and everything, but we just winged it. The dimensions we had in our original video are still true for the overall, and then this is the toolbox. I mean, I can try and go through a few more dimensions of it at some point, but we just winged it. We just we bought all the stuff. We kind of had an idea of what we wanted it to look like. So let me know if there's anything specific you want to know about it. I mean, we got it pretty much stocked now. We got to go through and build our dividers, so you'll see us work on this thing a little bit more. But as far as the actual pit cart build series, this will wrap that up. So we got some work done on the car tonight. It's good to be back in our own shop. I'm happy for that, and thank WMI for their assistance with this pit cart and all the guys who have helped us and stuff. And I'm really happy with it. So we're about 3 months out from race season, so the grind starts now. We're getting back to working on the race car, and we got some more stuff coming down the pipeline that I hope to be able to reveal soon. And like I said at the start of the night, our paint scheme should be coming out soon and stuff. And I know I say it every year, but I think it's probably our best looking one ever, and we got some cool stuff with it that I'm excited about too. So smash that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, comment below, and we'll be back another night here soon in the JRD Motorsports shop.